Hey guys, welcome again. Today I wanted to try and do this one, issue number 75 proposed by Hacker, and he suggests to make the mission table info history colored based on the result of the mission. So for example, mission 1 succeeded, it's blue, mission 2 succeeded, it's blue, 3, 4 failed, is red, and mission 5 is blue here. Now, I haven't looked this up yet, I'm not sure how I'm going to approach this, so let's just dive straight in and give it a shot. So first off, this is on the client side, and so everything sent to the client is in this folder called assets, and we're looking for JavaScript, which is under scripts, and it should be under lobby. So let's do a quick search and let's take a look at here we go. I just typed in vote into the search and we have draw vote history, line 1200. So let's see what it does. It gets in a data. We have a function, draw vote history, and it's drawing in a table with some rows. It's giving in mission numbers in a for loop. So for every single piece of mission number we have, we want to draw a new group or a new block of it with a mission. And actually, we can color our stuff in straight through here. If you guys know a bit of CSS, we can do it straight here. So just before that, let's dive into a quick test game. So once again, I have my service up, and I'm just going to log in. And let's just start a game, and let's do add bots. Let's add 4 bots, and default settings will be fine. And let's just approve anything. Okay. So, okay, perfect. We have 1 fail and 1 success. Good luck with the bots. So every single game update, there's always going to be a new variable sent over called game data. And if you open up your console log, you can open it through settings, more tools, developer tools. That will open it, more tools, developer tools, or Control-Shift-I, or sometimes F12 as well will open that. And so if you go into console, this is where you can interact with the JavaScript on the client side. There's always a game data object that's sent over. And if we just type into game data, it'll print out exactly what it is. Or you can also go console.log game data, same thing. And we're always sent over a mission history. So this is an array which contains successes or fails depending on the order. So the first one succeeded, the second one failed. And so we really just need that, and we just need to shove it into the thing there, into the style or the CSS. So before we do that though, I want to test and see what color we want. So I like to use this select an element in a page to inspect. It's the inspector. If we click on it and we hover over some item, it'll automatically hover and we can see the size of it and see the details of it. So because we want to be changing this box and this box, let's just click on that. And now we can see some elements data here, the console window, and also the HTML is here. So this is mission 1, this is mission 2, this is mission 3. Now let's say in the element.style that we give it background hyphen color, and let's just give it red for now. And that's exactly what we want pretty much, right? Perfect. Now the thing is, this red is a bit too dark. I can't really see the text there. And the second problem is that in dark theme, that's okay actually on dark theme, that's not too bad. Whenever we have to add something with color in it, we also have to be very careful of the dark theme appearance as well. So let's actually see what color this red is and see if we can just copy it. So if we hover over this one, let's see. Here we have a background color. Okay, let's just copy this number and reselect the div, and let's just paste that in. And that's looking a bit dull. I don't quite like that. There's opacity, 0.65 as well. So opacity just makes it a bit, it's the opposite of transparency. Transparency makes it easy to see through, opacity makes it harder to see through. But if you're making it less than 1, it's going to get clearer. Okay, so that's what it looks like, and it looks pretty bad, to be honest. So let's just refresh this page, clear out the changes, and let's take a look again. So let's see, what was in the image? Oh, that red's not too bad. Let's see if we can get the color. don't think we can. Let's just pick a new color picker. Google has this cool little interactive tool which you can just select a color. So let's just try this one. Let's go back to here and background color that. Hey, that's, oh wait, I'm silly. I can just use these two colors. Okay, what's this color? RGB that. Okay. Let's go back into this one. Paste that in. That's not too bad. Although I'm worried about the success because the successes are blue, and on the vote history it's green here, as we can see. So let's just copy this and see how this goes into the second one. One second. Sorry. Background color, and let's paste that in. I'm not sure. No, I think it should be blue. Like that blue. Yeah, that blue's better. Let's see if we can find a blue. How is that? Let's try that. Oh, a bit too dark. Let's make it a bit lighter. That's not too bad. Let's get a tiny bit lighter. Okay, let's go with that. So, back into here. For every single data mission number, we should also have a corresponding mission history. So let's just go. Let's go var color. If data.mission history I is equal to is it succeeded or success? I think it's succeeded. Let's check our console again. Game data. Mission history succeeded. Yep, succeeded. If it's equal to succeeded, color is equal to that. And I live in Australia, so I'm sorry, but I use a U. And then else if data.mission history I is equal to failed, then we'll make it the color red. And let's just quickly grab that again. This is in RGB. You see there's two different color formats here. One's in hexadecimal, one's in RGB. They're pretty much the same thing. There's just different formats. But in a string format, if you give it to CSS or give it into a web page, it'll render it the same color. So we can convert this into that and that into this. You know, it doesn't really matter. And at the end, it's just good habits to include a backup case. So in case it's not succeeded or it's not failed, then we'll just say default, is it none or default transparent or none? No, that's invalid. Transparent? Transparent, there we go. Okay, so transparent's valid. Else it goes to transparent. Did I spell that right? I'll just copy it over. I don't trust my English. Else color is transparent. And then we're just going to go into style here and just going to insert it here. Background color equals to inside that. 1 second. It's a colon here. And we need to insert this variable. And we need to close the single quote. So single quote open, single quote close, and we're adding in a variable, which is the color. Perfect. So let's just refresh this. And hopefully that works. Frozen. We only have one fail, or one success, and that's highlighted. Okay. What about the previous one? No. Okay, so let's just run a new test game. Test game 8. And let's just watch them play for a bit. So mission 1 succeeded. Cool. Come on, mission 2. Do something. Okay, and that failed, and that's perfect. That's pretty much it. The only thing is it looks a bit ugly to have blue like that. But I can't really help it because, yeah, unless we change this color to blue. Should we do that? You know what, let's try and change it and we'll see. Let's just grab that blue color. Let's shove it into here. Oh, I don't know if I like that. Oh. I don't like that. No. I think this will have to do. Can we bold the top boxes maybe? Nah, we'll leave that there. If people don't like it, they'll let me know and I'll change it back. Now let's just take a look at dark theme. Okay, so dark theme, this is way too bright. Or the text can be black. Let's see, can we set the color to black? We can. Okay, so the text inside here should always be black. So the thing is, in dark theme, the text should be light whitish, grayish. And what that does is, how it's done is, every single piece of text in the whole file is set to gray. But the text inside this vote history should always be black and can always be black, and that's fine if it's always black. So we'll just hard set that here as well. Color black. Will that do the trick? Oh, the test game's gone. Test game 8. Okay, so it's a fairly high, hit and miss, with the bots. But so the first 3 failed, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go into the game data. I'm just going to change this one. So instead of failed, it's now succeeded. And then I'm going to call draw again to draw everything, or draw vote history. Game data dot, what is it? Vote history. Can I draw? Is data ever used? It is used. Oh, it's game data that's passed in. Okay. Okay, there we go. So that's the blue. That looks okay. Let's change the dark theme. That's good dark theme. I like that actually. This blue actually works out better in dark theme, I think. That's not too bad. Okay. Awesome. That's pretty much it. Now we're just going to go into our CMD. Now I should have done git branch and made a separate branch. If you guys are going to be adding anything, please do that. But otherwise, I'm just going to commit. And if you forget to make a new branch, you can just Google it how to move changes to another branch again. And there's plenty of Stack Overflow questions. Yeah, here we go. Just follow that, and that'll help you move it to a new branch if you forget. And we're just going to commit, and we're just going to say colorized vote history headers. Git. Oh, 1 second. I'm also going to, I forgot something, so I'm just going to go git add and make a new commit. Git commit closes. Closes is a keyword. Closes, fixes, and one more I forgot. Is a keyword in GitHub where when it's merged in or when it's committed up, it'll automatically close the issue. So this one I think was 75. Yep. So number closes and a hashtag, the ID, will link that up together. So now let's go git push origin master, because that's how I push to the master. You guys will be pushing to your own repository, using the same line, I guess, and then creating a pull request. So something happened here. It got rejected because I didn't get pulled. Because my local repository is outdated, because we made some changes in the last video. Yeah, it's the last video's change that I hadn't pulled down. And let's just do it one more time. Sometimes when you get pulled, there'll be some conflicts. Hopefully we can run into that soon on the video so I can show you guys how to handle that. But otherwise, that's it, done. Now, you can see it's automatically closed. I didn't even do anything, it just refreshed. So hacker's little issue got closed. We can go into the code, we can check our new commit, and we can see merge branch of master, closes 75. Awesome. So this merge branch actually was a git pull. Now I also want to change the changelog. So let's go into log and fixed. So this is added. Colorized mission headers. Vote history mission headers. And let's just make this do the same thing. Git add dot git commit changelog git push origin master, and that's it. We're done. So this is just a sample game that just finished. Next time they log on, they'll see proper colors like that. Yeah, so that's about it. If you guys have any questions, throw me a message on Discord. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.